We now want to get you news from Delhi, where BJP chief Amit Shah's new team will reportedly signal a generational shift within the party, with younger faces taking up leadership positions. Shah is expected to announce his team after the party ratifies his appointment as BJP president at its National Council on the 9th of August. Varun Gandhi, Rajiv Pratap Rudy and Anurag Thakur are likely to be made general secretaries. At least one-third of the office bearers will be women. Muralidhar Rao, currently a General Secretary, will likely be made Vice President. Anand Kumar may be removed from the Parliamentary Board to make way for Amit Shah himself. Remember, Amit Shah had been made National President of the BJP only earlier this month. He had a hugely successful tenure as campaign chief or de facto campaign chief for Narendra Modi, most prominently winning 73 of Uttar Pradesh's 80 seats, a result that even he admitted was quite surprising. Ram Madhav, among the RSS leaders who will also be who has been inducted into the BJP and may be inducted into the National Executive as well. Remember, as we're hearing, the BJP looking to signal a generational shift in party leadership. There are a few critical assembly elections coming up later this year, as well as a couple of them next year, and the party will look to strengthen the organization ahead of those contests. Brijesh Pandey joins us now for more on this developing story. Brijesh, Amit Shah among the younger leaders of the BJP and looking to get a young, energetic set of people with him.
The youngest BJP president ever, and given the fact that the kind of resounding victory they have got in this Lok Sabha election, and the fact is that in the next 1 year several important election states will go to poll. So Amit Shah's and Narendra Modi's emphasis is on an extremely young team, and the fact also remains that three general secretaries of the party, they have become the cabinet secretary, they have become the cabinet ministers and all. So there are several posts which is vacant, and since the new BJP president has come in, he will of course would want to go in for a new team. Several probable names of several probables are doing the rounds, and the BJP is saying that they will announce the list of all these things post the council day, which will happen on August 9, and any time between August 9 and August 17 that list will be declared, and a new team under the new president Amit Shah will take over.
And Brijesh, we're seeing a few names pop up already, among them Rajiv Pratap Rudy, Varun Gandhi. We're also hearing Anand Kumar may have to make way, partly due to his loyalties to LK Advani. Tell us a bit about these young leaders and what they suggest the future of the party may look like.
Well, in all likelihood, the list which is made available to us clearly indicates that all these young Turks, be it Varun Gandhi or be it Rajiv Pratap Rudy, or for that matter JP Nadda or Ram Madhav, who has just been repatriated from the RSS to become the General Secretary organizations, these are the people who have explicit trust of Amit Shah, and Amit Shah is expected to chart out or implement his strategy through these key people who are considered to be young leadership, not only young but very dynamic. Anand Kumar will make way. It is expected that Anand Kumar will make way for Amit Shah in the BJP Parliamentary Board, because the new president, the Amit Shah, will have to be in the BJP Parliamentary Board, and Anand Kumar is expected to make way for him. Apart from that, JP Nadda, who was tipped to be in contention for the post of party president, his name is also doing the rounds to be inducted in as in the new team of the BJP president Amit Shah. Pierre?
We also know Ram Madhav joined the party very recently, key member of the RSS, one of its most recognizable faces. He's expected to get something senior as well.
Well, yes, Ram Madhav has joined BJP and he's expected to become the General Secretary organization, which is an extremely key post because it not only keeps the RSS in loop with what is happening with the organization, but also makes the party, works as an interlocutor between the RSS and the party. So Ram Madhav will definitely get a very important post. And apart from that, he also enjoys immense confidence of Amit Shah. So this makes the task of Amit Shah much more easier, and also the fact that the stature of Ram Madhav Madhav you will see definitely growth in the stature of Ram Madhav in future. Pierre?
And most critically, Brajesh, it definitely signals the end of a generation among BJP leaders, people who were close to L.K. Advani, for example, and certainly the end of his influence in any way on the party.
Well, yes, Pierre. I mean, you know, it is a transitional thing we see because if you remember, after once Narendra Modi was appointed as the prime ministerial candidate of NDA, after that the BJP as an organization saw a lot of change. And once the BJP came back to power with an emphatic victory, you see a lot of very senior people who were architect of what we now call the Bharatiya Janata Party, who saw BJP's fortune saw a great degree of resurrection and building under their leadership. Leaders like Lal Krishna Advani, who is considered to be the founder in one way of the modern BJP as we see it, or say Murli Manohar Joshi, who was one of the triumvirate of the three leaders, the three senior most leaders of BJP. They have all faded away, and Narendra Modi has made one thing very clear, that you would be a very senior leader, you get to play the role of the mentor of the party and the young MPs or the young cadres who joins the Bharatiya Janata Party. But if in an effectual government or role, they will have no more role to play. And once a new person takes over, once Amit Shah was appointed as the president of the BJP, it was crystal clear to everybody that the era of Lal Krishna Advani, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Murli Manohar Joshi saw an end that day. And when new generation takes over, it is but natural that a new team under his stewardship will take over and which will see party for further rise. Clear?
Brajesh, many thanks for getting us a detailed look at what's going on within the BJP. Remember that National Council meeting expected on the 9th of August, where we'll see a new team.